Do you like spending time alone? Yes, I enjoy spending time alone sometimes. I use this time to read, think, or take a walk. It helps me feel calm and recharge my energy. What do you usually eat for breakfast? I usually eat something light for breakfast. Most days, I have cereal with milk or toast with butter. Sometimes, I eat fruit like a banana or an apple. I also drink tea or coffee. It gives me energy to start the day. Do you prefer working in the morning or evening? I prefer working in the morning because my mind is fresh. I can focus better and finish more tasks. In the evening, I feel tired and I want to relax. So mornings are best for work. What do you do on weekends? On weekends, I like to rest and spend time with my family. I usually sleep a bit longer, then have a big breakfast. Sometimes I go to the park or visit friends. I also clean the house or go shopping. How do you get to work or school? I usually take the bus to work. It takes around 30 minutes. Sometimes, if the weather is nice, I walk. I enjoy walking because it's good exercise and I can listen to music on the way. Do you like cooking? Yes, I really like cooking. I enjoy trying new recipes, especially Italian or Asian food. Cooking helps me relax, and I love eating meals I prepare myself. Sometimes I cook with my daughter, and it's fun. How often do you exercise? I try to exercise 3 times a week. I usually go for a run in the morning or do some yoga at home. It makes me feel more energetic and helps me sleep better at night. What time do you usually go to bed? I usually to bed around 10:30 p.m. Before sleeping, I like to read a little or listen to soft music. I try not to use my phone too much. A good night's sleep is important for me. What do you do during your lunch break? During my lunch break, I eat a quick meal, usually a salad or a sandwich. If I have time, I go for a short walk. Sometimes I chat with my colleagues or check my messages. What is your favorite day of the week? My favorite day is Saturday. I don't have to work, so I can relax. I often go out for lunch or watch a movie. Saturdays feel free and fun. How do you spend your evenings? In the evenings, I like to cook dinner, talk with my family, and watch a show. I also prepare things for the next day, like clothes or my bag. Sometimes I write in my journal too. What do you usually wear at home? At home, I wear comfortable clothes like sweatpants or a t-shirt. I like to feel relaxed, especially after work. In winter, I wear warm socks and a hoodie. How do you prepare for a busy day? I prepare for a busy day by planning ahead. I write to-do list and get my clothes ready the night before. I eat a good breakfast and try to leave the house early. What do you like to do when it rains? When it rains, I like to stay inside, drink tea, and read a book. Sometimes I watch movies or cook something warm. Rainy days make me feel cozy. Do you prefer tea or coffee? I prefer coffee in the mornings because it helps me wake up. In the afternoon, I like drinking tea, especially herbal tea. Both drinks are part of my daily routine. What do you usually do on your birthday? On my birthday, I like to spend time with close friends or family. I usually have a nice dinner and eat cake. Sometimes we go out, but I prefer a quiet celebration. Do you like working from home? Yes, I like working from home because I save time and feel more comfortable. I can wear casual clothes and make coffee whenever I want, but sometimes I miss seeing my coworkers. How do you stay organized? I use a planner to write down my tasks. I also set reminders on my phone. I clean my space often so everything is in the right place. This helps me feel less stressed. What do you usually do on Sunday evenings? On Sunday evenings, I prepare for the next week. I plan my schedule, cook something easy, and relax with a good movie or a book. I try to go to bed early. What helps you feel better when you are tired? When I'm tired, I rest for a while or take a nap. Drinking water, going for a short walk also helps. Sometimes I listen to music to lift my mood. Do you check your phone in the morning? Yes, I check my phone after I wake up. I look at the time, read messages, and check the news. But I try not to spend too much time on it. What do you do if you can't sleep? If I can't sleep, I read a book or listen to calming sounds. I avoid using my phone and drink some warm milk. The things usually help me fall asleep. What's your favorite thing to do on a holiday? On a holiday, I love visiting new places, trying local food, and taking photos. I also enjoy relaxing at the beach and walking in the nature. How do you start your workday? I start my workday by checking emails and writing a list of tasks. I drink coffee and make sure everything is ready. I like starting with the most important task. What's your favorite food to cook? My favorite food to cook is pasta. It's easy and fast, and I can add many different things like vegetables or cheese. My family love it too. What do you do when you are feeling stressed? When I feel stressed, I take deep breaths, go for a walk, or talk to a friend. I also listen to relaxing music or write down my thoughts. These things calm me down. What do you like to do with your family? With my family, I like to cook, watch movies, and go for walks. We also play games or talk about our day. It's always fun and brings us closer. Do you like reading books or watching movies more? I enjoy both, but I read books more often. Books helps me relax and imagine different words. But sometimes a good movie is perfect after a long day. What do you usually do before going to bed? Before going to bed, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and put on pajamas. I like to read or think about my day. Sometimes I write a few notes for tomorrow. How do you stay motivated during the day? I stay motivated by taking small breaks, drinking water, and listening to music. I also remind myself why my work is important. Having goals helps me keep going. Great job! Keep going! So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And if you like more videos, we'll see you next time. Bye!